Calcium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in bone health, muscle function, and overall health. However, many people do not consume enough calcium in their diet, leading to a deficiency. In this video, we will be discussing the 7 signs and symptoms of calcium deficiency that you need to know. Muscle cramps. Calcium plays a vital role in muscle function, and a deficiency can lead to muscle cramps, especially in the legs. If you experience frequent muscle cramps, it may be a sign of calcium deficiency. Brittle nails. Calcium is also important for healthy nails, and a deficiency can cause nails to become brittle and weak. Tooth decay. Calcium is necessary for strong and healthy teeth. A deficiency can cause tooth decay and gum disease, making it essential to get enough calcium in your diet. Osteoporosis. Calcium is essential for bone health, and a deficiency can lead to osteoporosis, a condition in which bones become weak and brittle, increasing the risk of fractures. Numbness and tingling. Calcium is needed for nerve function, and a deficiency can cause numbness and tingling in the hands and feet. Fatigue and weakness. Calcium deficiency can cause fatigue and weakness, making it difficult to perform daily activities. Irregular heartbeat. Calcium is necessary for a healthy heartbeat, and a deficiency can cause an irregular heartbeat or arrhythmia. Calcium deficiency can lead to various signs and symptoms that can affect your overall health. Muscle cramps, brittle nails, tooth decay, osteoporosis, numbness and tingling, fatigue and weakness, and an irregular heartbeat are all signs of calcium deficiency that you need to be aware of. It's essential to consume enough calcium in your diet or consider taking supplements if you are at risk of calcium deficiency. Thanks for watching this video, and also share your experiences with calcium deficiency and any tips you have for getting enough calcium in the diet in the comments section. And subscribe to your channel for more informative videos on health and wellness.